Hello everyone, we're here today in Lakewood Springs in Plano, Illinois. We have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, updated townhouse. Come check it out. On the first floor, you'll love the open floor plan with hardwood throughout, an updated kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. On the second floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a laundry room. Not only is this townhouse beautiful on the inside, it's beautiful on the outside. I'm Danielle Tully with the Ruth Sheehan team and eXp Realty. Contact me to see this house with the information below. See you on the next video.